Find the mean deviation from the mean of the following discrete data. So first write down the given data. Formula of mean is x bar sigma xi by n. Sigma xi means sum of observations, and mean formula is sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations, summation of these observations is 80, and how many observations are there? 8. So mean x bar is, what would mean? 80 by 80 is 10. So our mean is 10. Next we have to find mean deviation about mean. So formula of mean deviation about mean is summation mod xi minus x bar whole divided by n. So what about xi minus x bar? Xi minus x bar means deviations. So we have to find the absolute values of the deviations. So absolute values of the deviations means from the mean we have to subtract these observations, means we have to find deviations. Either from the mean we have to subtract these observations, or from these observations we have to subtract mean. So mod is there, absolute values is there. So 10 minus 6, that is 4. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 12 is 2. 10 minus 13 is 3. Mod is there. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 12 again 2. 10 minus 16 is 6. So how many observations are there? 8 divided by n. N means 8. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 is 26 divided by 8. 13 by 4. So what about 13 by 4? 4 3s are 12. 1 remains. 0.0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Point is there. We can take 0. 4 5s are 20. Okay. Therefore 13 by 4 is 3.25. Therefore mean deviation from the mean of the given discrete data is 3.25. Find the mean deviation about median of the data 4, 6, 9, 3, 10, 13, 2. So here discrete data is given. We have to find mean deviation about median. Using median we have to find mean deviation. So first write down the given data. To find median we have to arrange the discrete data in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So which one is the smallest one? 2, then 3, then 4, 6, 9, 10 and 13. Total how many observations are there? 7 observations are there. To find median, first we have to arrange the given data in ascending order, that is smaller to bigger. So total 7 observations are there. Left side 3, right side 3. So 6 is the middlemost. Which one is the median of our given data? So what about median here? 6. So median is how much? 6. So m is 6. Next we have to find mean deviation about, we have to find MD, mean deviation about median. Formula is summation mod xi minus m whole divided by n. So n means given observations, m means median, n means number of observations. So we have to here find out deviations. Xi minus n, m means from m we have to subtract the given observations. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 9, mod is there, plus 3. 6 minus 10 plus 4. 6 minus 13 is plus 7. Whole divided by how many observations are there? N, that is 7. So 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12 plus 4 16 plus 7 is 23 divided by 7. So what about 23 by 7? We have to divide 23 by 7. So 7 3s are 21. This is 23. Okay. So 2 remains 0.07 2s are 14, 6 remain, point is there, 0, 7, 8s are 56, okay, 4 remains, so approximately 3.29, okay, 3.2. Measures of dispersion. Calculate the mean deviation about mean for the following data. Class interval frequency is given. We have to find mean deviation about the mean. So formula of mean deviation about the mean is summation fi mod xi minus x bar by n, where n is the sum of the frequency, that is n, sum of the frequency, and where mean x bar is sigma fi xi by n. Again, n is the sum of the frequency. So first write down the given, that is xi observations 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 35, and corresponding frequencies 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 2. First find out n. What about n? Sum of the frequencies, that is 40. So here n is sum of the frequency 40. Now find out fi xi. 2 6 are 12, 5 8s are 40, 7 10s are 70, 8 6 are 48, 10 8s are 80, 35 2s are 70, and summation of fi xi is 320. So we have n as well as summation of fi xi. So first we have to calculate mean. So formula of mean is denoted by x bar, that is sigma fi xi by n. So value of sigma fi xi is 320 divided by value of n is 40. So 0 0 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 8s are, so mean x bar is 8. Next we have to find out xi minus x bar, mod xi minus x bar. So from the mean we have to subtract these observations. So what about 8 minus 2, that is 6, 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 7 1, 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 10 is 2, 8 minus 35 is 27. Mod is there, so no need to write minus. Now multiply with fi. So 6 6 are 36. Next 8 3s are 24, 10 1s are 10, 6 into 0 0, 8 2s are 16, 27 2s are 54. Now summation of this sigma fi mod xi minus x bar is 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, plus 10 20, 0, carry 2, 2 plus 3 5, plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 14. So 140. Now formula of mean deviation about the mean is summation fi mod xi minus x bar by n, that is 140 divided by 40. 0 0 cancel, 14 by 4, that is 7 by 2, and how much 7 by 2? 3.5. Therefore mean deviation about the mean is 3.5. Next question is find the mean deviation about mean for the find the variance and SD. Fourth question, find the variance and SD, standard deviation of the following data. So first write down the given data xi 5 12 3 18 6 8 2 10. First we have to find mean. What about mean? Mean is denoted by x bar, that is sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of all observations, how many observations are given? 8. So sum of all observation you will get 64, and number of observation is 8. 8 1s are 8 8s are 64. Therefore mean is 8. Next we have to find variance, and formula of variance is sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. So xi minus x bar, from these observations we have to subtract 8. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3, whole square is 9. 12 minus 8, 4 square is 16. 3 minus 8 minus 5 whole square is 25. Next 18 minus 8, 10 square is 100. Next 6 minus 8 is minus 2 whole square is 4. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 8 is minus 6 whole square is 36. Finally 10 minus 8 2 square is 4, divided by number of observations. How many observations are there? 8 observations are there, so divided by 8. Now summation of 9 plus 16, 25 plus 25, 50 plus 100, 150, 150 plus 40, 190 plus 4, 194. So 194 divided by 8. So this one, 2 4s are 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are, so 97 by 4. So mean x bar is 97 by 4. If you divide 97 by 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 remains. 4 4s are 16, 1 remains. If you take 0.0, 4 2s are 8, 2 remains, 0. 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 97 by 4 we can write 24.25. This is the value of variance, 24.25. What about SD? Next we have to find SD. Second bit is SD. We have to find SD means standard deviation. Formula is root over variance. So square root of 24.25. Next we have to find square root of 24.25. So how to find square root of 24.25? So I am showing here. So we have to find square root of 24.25. okay, so perfect square nearby 24 is 25 and 16. So 16 is less one, so we have to take 16. 16 we will get 4 4s are 16. So multiply with 4. 4 plus 4 4s are 16, and 24 minus 16 is 8. Same thing we have to add. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, and next 2 digits we have to take down. 825. If you take here 1, so 81 1s are 81, 89 9s are. What about 89 9s are? 9 9s are 81. Carry 8, 9 8s are 72, means 801. So 25 remains. Now point, we can take 2400, 24.20. Now 89 plus 9 is 98. So this is approximately 100, and this is 2400. Okay, so if you take 1, this will become 100 ones are. If you take 2, 100 twos are. So sorry, 900 is there, 9 twos are 18. So approximately you will get 49.2, sorry, 4.92. Square root of 24.25 is approximately 4.92. okay. Mathematics 2A, a VSAQ. In this video I'm going to discuss about top 50 VSAQ part B. Part B means I'm going to teach 5 chapter VSAQs from 10 to 6, that is random variable, measures of dispersion, binomial theorem and PNC. okay, so from each chapter very most important 5 VSAQs. So question number 10, under question number 10, from random variable, first question is a Poisson variable satisfy P of x equals to 1 equals to P of x equals to 2, then find P of x equals to 5. So here from the Poisson distribution we know that P of x equals to r equals to e power minus lambda by minus lambda into lambda power r by r factorial. So this is the formula we are going to use in this problem. So first write on the given. What about given? P of x equals to 1 is equals to P of x equals to 2. Means in this formula first time we have to take r equals to 1, then r equals to 2. So our given, if you write the values of r equals to 1 in the Poisson distribution, so e power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial, that equals to e power minus lambda,
lambda power 2 by 2 factorial. Okay, so both sides e power minus lambda get cancelled. What remains? 2 into lambda, 2 lambda equals to lambda square, or 1 lambda also get cancelled. So lambda equals to 2. Lambda means here mean as well as variance. So what about lambda? Lambda equals to 2. Next we have to find p of x equals to 5. That is e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. Here the value of r is 5 and value of lambda is 2. So e power minus lambda means 2 power 5 whole divided by r factorial, 5 factorial. What about 5 factorial? That is, we can write 1 by e square. E power minus 2 means 1 by square. 2 power 5 means 32, and 5 factorial, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120. Okay, so 2 16s are 2 60s are 2 4 4s are 4 15s are. So finally 4 by 15 e square. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now second question, if the mean and variance of a binomial variable x are 2.4 and 1.44 respectively, find n. So first write on the given. So given mean is denoted by np is 2.4, consider equation 1, and variance is npq is given 1.44, consider equation 2. Next we have to find p, q and n. So equation 2 divided by 1. If you divide equation 2 by 1, so npq divided by np, that is 1.44 divided by 2.4. So np is get cancelled. What remains? Q equals to 1.44, we can write 144 by 100 into 2.4, we can write 24 by 10. So 0 get cancelled. 12 12s are 12 2s are. So 2 1s are 2 6s are. So 6 by 10, or we can write 3 by 5. So q equals to 3 by 5. We have p equals to, that is 1 minus q, 1 minus 3 by 5, 5 ones are 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 3 by 5, that is 2 by 5. So what about p? Q equals to 3 by 5 and p equals to 2 by 5. Now from first equation, np equals to 24 by 10. 2.4 means 25 by 10. So from here, if you make n as a subject, 24 by 10 divided by 1 by p. But value of p is how much? 2 by 5. Means we can write 5 by 2. 2 by 5. So 2 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are. So 4 6 are. Therefore n equals to 6. Now next question is, for a binomial distribution with mean 6 and variance 2, find the first two terms of the distribution. So first write on the given. Mean is np 6, variance npq is 2. So equation 2 divided by 1. So npq divided by np, that is 2 divided by 6. np get cancelled. From this one we will get the value of q. 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Okay, and what about p equals to 1 minus q? So p equals to 1 minus 1 by 3. And what about 1 minus 1 by 3? 3 ones are 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. So we have p equals to 2 by 3, q equals to 1 by 3. From first equation, np equals to 6 n equals to 6 by p, that is 6 divided by 2 by 3. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are, so 3 3s are 9. So n equals to 9. Now we have to find first two terms, means p of x equals to 0 and p of x equals to 1. So what about p of x equals to 0? From the binomial distribution, formula of p of x equals to r is NCR p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. Formula of p of x equals to r from binomial distribution is NCR p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. So p of first term, that is x equals to 0, p of x equals to 0 means we have to put r equals to 0. 9c0, p means 2 by 3 whole power 0, q means 1 by 3 whole power 9 minus 0. So 9c0 is 1, 2 by 3 whole power 0 also 1, 1 by 3 whole power 9. So finally 1 by 3 whole power 9 is our first term. And what about second term? Second term is p of x equals to 1, means we have to put r equals to 1. 9c1, p means 2 by 3 whole power 1, q means 1 by 3, 9 minus 1, that is 8. So 9c1 is 9, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 power 8. So 1 3 3s are, 1 more 3 get cancelled. So 2 by 3 power 7 remains. 2 by 3 power 7. Now fourth question is, if the difference between mean and variance of a binomial variate is 5 by 9, then find the probability for the event of two success when the experiment is conducted 5 times. So here an experiment is conducted 5 times, means n equals to 5. We have to find probability for event of two success, means r equals to 2. So using the binomial distribution, p of x equals to r, NCR p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. So here value of n is given, that is 5, and value of r is given 2. From given we have to find p and q. So we know that mean is denoted by np and variance is npq. What about mean? Np and variance is npq. Given difference between mean and variance means np minus npq, np minus npq is 5 by 9. Consider equation 1. From this one we can take np common, so 1 minus q remains, that is 5 by 9. We know that what about p plus q? So p plus q is 1. From this one we can write p equals to 1 minus q. What about p equals to 1 minus q? So this np, in the place of 1 minus q we can write one more p equals to 5 by 9. Now p into p is p square. What would value of n? N is 5. So 5p square 5 by 9. Both side 5 get cancelled. So p square is how much? 1 by 9. Now square root of 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. Therefore the value of p is 1 by 3. If p is 1 by 3, then what about q equals to? Since p plus q is 1, so q equals to 2 by 3. Now we have p value as well as q value, p, q, r, n. From binomial distribution we have to find probability of two events, success of two events. So p of x equals to 2, that is 5c2, p means 1 by 3 whole power r is 2, q means 2 by 3 whole power n minus r, 5 minus 2 is 3. What about 5c2? That is 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. 1 by 3 square is 9, 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube is 27. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 5 twos are 10, 10 eights are 80, divided by 9 into 27 is 243. Okay. Now question number 5. The mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 3 respectively. Find probability of x greater than or equals to 1. So first write on the given. So given mean is denoted by NP is 4. Consider equation 1. Variance NPQ equals to 3. Equation 2. Now dividing equation 2 by 1. Okay, that is NPQ whole divided by NP. 3 by 4. Value of NP get cancelled. Now Q equals to 3 by 4. If Q is 3 by 4, then what about P equals to? P means that is 1 minus Q. So P equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. So P equals to 4 ones are 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. So we have Q equals to 3 by 4 and P equals to 1 by 4. Next we have to find NPN. From first equation we know that NP equals to 4, N equals to P value is 1 by 4 equals to 4. If you cross multiply, N equals to 4 4s are 16. Next we have to find probability of x is greater than or equals to 1. So x greater than or equals to 1 means x value 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. But so this one we can write 1 minus p of x equals to 0. So 1 minus, from the binomial distribution formula of p of x equals to r is NCR p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. And this formula we have to write value of r as 0. Then it will become n means how much? 16 c naught. P is 1 by 4 power 0. Q means 3 by 4 whole power 16 minus n minus r. 16 minus 0. 16 minus 0 is 16 only. So 16 c naught is 1. 1 power 4 whole 1 by 4 whole power 0 also 1. Just 3 by 4 whole power 16 remains. So answer is 1 minus 3 by 4 whole power 16. Okay.